What's up, world? We are back at it again, and this time we have finally received the second rejection. And I have been procrastinating this for a long time, but I actually told myself, Pavin, you've got to get this done. And yeah, let's go over the rejection and how we can solve it. We were rejected on February 22nd. I didn't feel like doing, and like, I'm not sure why I have been procrastinating, but it has been completely wrong. And I'm here, and let's finish this once and for all. Yeah, so I'm going to change my screen so we can look at the rejection. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's wait for the login page. You can log into my App Store account. Then head over to apps. We wait for it to load. This is the app that was rejected. Have a click on that. We're waiting for it to load. We can go over to app review. We can go over to unresolved issue. Your app was rejected and no other submission can be made. Okay, so let's have a look at the error. So last message sent them was telling them where our paywall was. Then the next thing they asked was, thank you for your effort to follow our guideline. There are some outstanding issues that will need your attention. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Reply to this message in App Store Connect and let us know. Review environment. It was an iPad Air 11-inch M3. That was February 22nd. The issue was that guideline 2.3.2, performance accurate metadata. They said, we noticed that your promotional image to be displayed in the App Store does not sufficiently represent the associated promoted in-app purchase and or win-back offer. Specifically, we found the following issues in your promotional image. Your promotional image is the same as your app's icon. To resolve this issue, please revise your promotional image to ensure it is unique and accurately represents the associated promoted in-app purchase and or win-back offer. Learn more resources. Learn how to view and edit in-app purchase information in App Store Connect. Discover more best practices for promoting your in-app purchases on the App Store. Support. Reply to this message. Then, so they're saying that our in-app purchase screen is same. What are they saying? Is similar to the app icon, which I believe. Let's have a look at that link they sent, which means it should be different, right? No worries. Let's click that and have a look at it. Meanwhile, let's have a look at what they're saying. I'm sure it's in-app purchases because that is where they were referring. So let's have at in-app purchases. It's not rejected lifetime subscription, but they're saying it is same as the promotional offer here. So add a 10. Yeah, it's same as my icon, which I believe should be different then. Let's have a look at these rules. View and edit in-app purchase information. You can edit most metadata elements in your in-app purchase except for the product ID and purchase type. If your in-app purchase was never submitted to Apple for review, you can make changes to its metadata. However, if your in-app purchase was already submitted, some changes require approval by App Store. Learn how to modify in-app. That's not what we want. Develop a role, required role. I've got all those roles. Admin, I'm the owner. Then what else? Add and remove. This is the issue that it's bringing us. To promote your in-app purchase on your App Store product page or to set up win-back offer, you must provide a promotional image. This image will represent your in-app purchase in all countries or regions where your app is available. If you're also using offer codes for auto-renewable subscription, your promotion image will appear on top of App Store page when customers redeem their code on iOS 14 or later. Your promotional image must meet the following requirement. It should be a PNG or JPEG, dimension of 1024 by 1024 pixels, 720 dpi, RGB, flattened, and no rounded corners. To add or remove your image in apps, select the app you want to view in the sidebar under monetization. Scroll down to non-renewing subscriptions and click manage. I have never seen that. In review, that was all I saw. I've never seen non-renewing. But we have the guidelines over here which we can copy and then we can use AI Studio, right? Because AI Studio does not get a watermark, so that is really helpful. Then we can actually come over to image generation over here and we want Nano Banana Pro, right? This one. Then what we can do, we can say I am creating a promotion image for my app beta OS. This is the logo. Then I give it this. Then I can attach an image, sorry, upload file. Then I can just look for my image over here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? We named our logo Untitled. Yeah. Then we open it. Then the following requirements are needed by App Store Connect. You can just put those columns and paste that. The first option was rejected because it was my logo. Help me create a promotion image in brand with my app. Thanks. Then I can just run that. Then the model is thinking. Guys, AI has really simplified a lot of things for us. Meanwhile, we can actually build we can actually build better OS and then prepare it for submission. This is better, right? Or what we can do is just Google App Store, promotional in-app purchase images. Then we can just search that. Have a look at this. So it can be anything. It just can't be same as logo. Have a look at this. This is the logo, the screenshots, then the in-app purchase. We can tell it. Okay. I do not like this, but what can we? This is okay, but they can still claim that it is same as the logo. So what can we do? As you can see in this screenshot, what they did was the logo, then a forest path. So technically, what we can do is say a calm blue sky. Let us change it a bit. Then let's describe to the AI what Better OS is all about. So let's just copy our description over here. Where is it? Is it here? App information. Yes. Not app information. Yeah. And then we can just copy our description. Control A, Control C. Then we can come over to AI Studio. Then we can tell it this is some details about Better OS. Let us change from the writing to something better, like something about making your life better. We can say skies or clouds or something just different. Yeah, and then we can paste our description over there and run that command. Whoever is in the chat, I'm glad you joined. If you're still in, welcome to our stream. And yeah, I'm really glad you're with us. What we are doing today, as you have seen in the thumbnail, we are addressing the second rejection by Apple. So that's it for, that's what we are doing today. So stay tuned, and I'm looking forward to interacting with you. You'll just leave a chat in case you left. Okay. Just leave a chat saying hi in case you come back. Look at that, 100%. I'll download that, and it's brilliant. We can just head over back to here and say App Store Connect, and we can go back to where we were, in-app purchase. Head over to lifetime subscription. Then we can change the subtitle, right? Let's change the subtitle for the title. I'm not sure which type of metadata Apple usually sees, but I don't want it to see it is AI generated. Then we can say here, we can click this. Then rename. We can name it promo image. Then click on that and close this page. Then we can go back to our App Store, head over to images, delete that, then delete, then choose file. Then we can go back over here. Once it was in downloads, right? Was it really in downloads? Where was it? Let's have a look once more. Yeah, it's in downloads. Can we drag and drop? Yes, we can. That was a bit better. Then we can just close this. Once that has loaded, it looks good. That is done. We can submit for review. Then go back. We can go back here. Then we'll need to create a new build over here. So we'll need to remove this build. Then I had opened anti-gravity. We can just create a new build over here, then submit. Then we want to build an iOS version, not an Android anymore. So iOS. So EAS build platform iOS profile production. Then we can submit that. While that is building, whoever is in the chats, I'm really glad you joined and looking forward to interacting. If you join once more, make sure to leave a hello. Looking forward to getting to know everyone who's with me on this journey. So I'm not sure why I have been procrastinating doing this, but it was that simple. The moment I said I need to do this, I just got up, got on my laptop, took out my camera, went on live, and I said we must finish this. So guys, sometimes it can be hard, but you just gotta do it. Now that I have started, everything is now starting to align. What I now want to do after submission, I think because I'm trying to figure out distribution, and I had this in mind originally from when I was creating. I'll be reaching out to influencers. I have some few influencers in mind. Some people I enjoy watching their YouTube channel, and I have no money to pay them. But what I'll do is I'll be reaching out for partnerships. I'll compile a list, and we will even be live together compiling the list. Then I'll write the emails and reach out to the creators that maybe could work with me. Then whoever replies, that will be good. If they don't, I will figure out another means of distribution, which could be me creating the videos on my own. That was the initial idea, originally partnering with creators. Uh, but if they don't reply, I have been trying to learn how to edit YouTube videos, and I'll just try and start growing my own YouTube. But yeah, that is it. When that is what we'll do when it comes to actually marketing. Some of the people I have in mind: number one, definitely Vas Creates. I'm a really big fan of his work, though our branding is a bit different. Ours is blue, his is red. But if he agrees to work with us, he definitely has say in whatever Better OS turns out to be. So if he agrees, what we'll do is we can either change our branding to red, or we'll just look on what to do. We won't disagree, but Verse OS, I mean Verse Creates, if you ever see this, I'm looking forward to working with you. Someone else is Alistair. I'm a big fan of Alistair as well. He also creates the type of videos same as motivational videos. So that is also someone I might be reaching out to. Who else? Let's see. There are a lot of creators. I can't mention them off the top of my head, but let's see. It's still, we are still waiting for it to finish building. While you are waiting, maybe you can. How has all of your weeks been? Mine has been, and it's just starting. Hectic. Uh, I've been a bit burnt out, maybe, mm, but I have been procrastinating this from uh, when was it? Because I got the rejection on 22nd. So I have been procrastinating 22nd, 23rd, 24th. It's burnout, I think, but we just gotta do it. You gotta face the. You just have to do the hard thing. Doesn't matter. Show up every day and do your craft. Yeah, people might one day say that it was an overnight success, but you know it wasn't an overnight success. You put in the hours and did all that. But yeah, let's fucking do this. Uh, I can see it has finished resolving the environment variables. Let's give it a minute. Let's give it a minute. Give it a minute. Give it a minute. Oh, no music today because my internet is down. I had to buy data. There was a really bad thunderstorm today. And then, what's the name of this thing? The name is, there was like a really big lightning strike that I had to contact the internet provider. He said he wasn't even seeing our switch in the building switch. So he said tomorrow he'll come early in the morning to replace the switch. The rain was really big today. It's incremented. Let's wait. 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 Yeah. Let's log in. Let's log in. Log in. Log in. Yeah. Let's log in. Let's log in. Log in. So, Yeah. Logging in, logging. Linking bundle. The build is starting. Once the build has started, we can submit. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Uploaded. Computing fingerprint. EAS keep auto fingerprint. Let's wait for it. Once that's done, we can submit to App Store. Then once that's done, we can submit it for review. I know it's confusing, don't worry. There's a difference between submitting to App Store and submitting for review. We are waiting for it to complete. We're waiting. We're waiting for completion. See, this is better. That is Marcus Aurelius. I can see Steve Jobs in the picture. Can we zoom in on this? A full screen. See, here is Marcus, here's Steve Jobs. Don't even know a lot of these people. Better OS, unlock your potential guided by legends. Man in the clouds looking at the sky. Man, AI is really getting crazy good. Don't you think? Why is it taking so long today? We can check EAS, then figure out on ourselves. What do you think? Let's have a look over there. Then we can run expo.dev. Then set up browser. We accidentally opened this. Let's close it. Expo is opening. Expo. Then we can have a look at Beta OS. Last build 2 days ago. That's not right. I built it today. So it hasn't finished computing fingerprint. Oof, no worries. set up insights, connect GitHub, visit the docs. I've never scrolled past this page. While you're waiting, let's see. It's still computing. While that is going on, guys, I was continuing to do some research. I've been thinking of that's the reason my data is almost exhausted. Let me buy. Data is so expensive. I hope I'm back, guys. I'm sorry for that. Guys, guys, let's see whether it's done. It's on queue. Guys, let's see whether it's done. Yeah, then we can wait for it to finish. Let's have a look at this. And when we reload, we'll see a new build is taking place in progress. Let's wait. Two minutes ago. So, as I was saying, I've been thinking about something new, and it's milk delivery within Nairobi. Let's have a look at this. Let's accept. Cheese. No. Let's close this. Guys, so we can look at veg box. Veg box scan. Let's check if the build is complete. It's still in progress, as you can see this. What I can do is try and tell AI to create for me a poster, then try and run ads for an A/B test offering a fresh milk delivery. Okay, we'll have a look at that. Then go over to AI mode. If you're in the chats, leave a hey. Whoever joined, I'm glad you joined. Welcome. Once the build is complete, we can continue. For now, yeah, it's finished. Then we can submit. EIS submit latest. We can look for the command. Here it is. And then run that. Once the submission is complete, will be done. We'll go over to App Store and submit for review. Let's wait. While we're waiting for it to complete. Yes. It's restoring session. Logged in. Linked. Credentials. Build. Submitting. Then we can close that. Head over to App Store. Test flight. And just wait for it to appear over here. And keep on refreshing this. We need to keep on refreshing this. Just keep on refreshing. Keep on refreshing. Keep on refreshing. It's still submitting. It might appear now. Let's wait for it to appear. Let's refresh that while checking here. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Wow, it's really taking long nowadays. Done. Let's have a look. It's now processing. We should do it for processing to end, then we can submit it. Let's go over to distribution and see if we can submit before processing. We had removed this, I thought. We didn't save. So we get this out once more, then we add build. So that is still processing. Let's save it, save the empty state, and head over to test flight. It's processing. Let's wait for it to complete. Whoever is in the live stream, welcome. I'm glad you're with us. Maybe just leave a hi while you're waiting for it to process. It's still submitting. Wow. We're still waiting. So they said it usually takes between 5 to 10 minutes. You can head over to here, then click on that. Let's have a look at this. Okay, I hope submission is now done. Let me check. Let's have a look. Completed, yeah. Once it's completed, we can now submit for review. We can head over back to distribution. The guys who joined the chat, welcome. I'm sorry I missed you. Then we can update the build. Then select the build and click on done. Once the build has been updated, we can click on save. Once we have saved, we can now submit for review, update, review. Then we can resubmit to app review. Like that. Did they ask any question from us? Nothing else. So what we can just tell them, there's no way you can reply to this. Okay, that is done. We can go back. Let's refresh this page. Ah, okay. It's waiting for review. You can have a look at it. You mean there's no way I can reply or reach out to them? What the hell? What the hell? I thought they always left the button. Uh, but no worries, they didn't ask for any question this time. So we are done with that. We are done with that. So what we can now do, the all of these screenshots are updated. It's now in the state known as waiting for review. So that is done. Yeah, guys, so that was our stream for today. We have resubmitted the app for re-evaluation by Apple review. Now all we have to do is wait for feedback. Once that is done, we'll see if we'll be rejected or accepted once more. In case we are rejected, that will be the third rejection. In case we are accepted, that will be the second, the fastest acceptance I have ever had. Like my first application, it took close to 8, 6, 7 submissions, but it finally got approved. Now let's wait for this and see how it will go. Anyway, uh, in case I stream once more, you'll be notified. I am going to try and compile a list of content creators that I enjoy watching, and maybe I'll reach out to partner with them. And I don't have the money to pay, so this will be like a real life partnership, and you'll walk through the process of me trying to reach out to them in case they ever reply. So stay tuned, guys. It's been an honor streaming. Ciao. Later, guys.